at Power Tour 2018. This is the Holley booth. We've got giving away a bunch of magnets here. Cool thing here was we're swapping a car that drove in here on a carburetor and swapping it to Sniper Gear 5. Looking real pretty. Should be ready to start up here in a second, but this is just showing you how easy it is to install it and how little time it takes. But it's a pretty sweet wagon. General parking area now for everyone that's going on Power Tour, and it's just a cool hodgepodge of different cars out here. Everyone getting together, saying where they're from. Found a bunch of people today tell me they're from Oklahoma, and we're in Bowling Green, Kentucky today, so that's a long haul just to start another long haul, which is pretty cool.
It's day 2 on the Hot Rod Power Tour, and the Holley crew is headed down to Chattanooga. It's our first day on the road, and there were plenty of spectators along the route checking out the action. There's never a shortage of vehicles, and there's always something for everyone. Birmingham gave us a warm welcome on day 3. Car enthusiasts of all ages were on hand to greet us. The car show didn't disappoint either. It was packed with a wide variety of vehicles, even a horseless carriage.